At last the season has come to an end.
Have a great Christmas from everyone at Nichols Machine Repair.
While we open our presents, why don't we look into the future? Welcome to Lawn Mower Repair in the year 4000. Let's take a look inside.
You will be greeted by one of our robotic staff members.
Hello, how may I help? Mower service, oil change or spark plug?
We have a range of lawn mowers for every robot. From really powerful all-terrain mowers to fancy mowers with a robot on top, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled.
Can't remember what part you need?
I am equipped with mind-reading radar. You need ignition coil, and your secret is safe with me, sir.
View a 4D holographic image of your new mower on our real grass test area, just for you. We have all major brands of chainsaw, motor oil, and robot top-up hydraulic oils. Christmas sale now on. For the human that prefers a little extra, try out the Extra Professional XL Mega Mower.
We can send our robot to fix your equipment while you go on holiday.
Our robot friends can also mow in the snow, didn't you know?
Our shopkeepers have the finest gibberish to logic coherence modulation in class.
May I have a metal thing that goes down the side? Red I think, or was it orange? I can never quite remember.
We currently have 3 mount wheel lawnmower blades in stock, sir.
Watch the magic as our robot engineers repair your robots, leaving you with nothing to do. Pure bliss, all right.
Oh, you're back again. If you can't buy, why not hire one of our machine? We have a big robot with big engine to hire.
Or hire an awesome war robot with twin-turbo super grass destroyer. Show your neighbors as the boss.
What do you know anyway? To release car off? Immune assist? Try our scary super log lifter.
Or for something a little more gentle, how about this contraption? Haven't a clue what it does. Wait, I think I am this thing. That's good. Come along and see our fantastic robots effortlessly fix your streamer, chainsaw, or fusion generator. All work guaranteed and fully insured.
And we allow humans to try it being a mechanic on the last Friday of every month. So have a go. We will not laugh. We are not capable of such things. Safe space.
Oh, I'm on the way. See you soon, but only if you're good.
Well, that brings our voyage to the future of lawn mower repair to an end for now. I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and simulate my love towards you.